You probably think walking is one of the safest and healthiest things you can do after 50. And honestly, you're right. Walking can improve your heart health, brain health, strengthen your muscles, support your joints, boost your mood, and help you stay independent as you get older. But here's something most people never realize. Two people can walk every day, the same distance, the same amount of time, sometimes even the same route. Yet a few months later, one feels stronger, more energetic, and steadier on their feet, while the other starts dealing with stiffness, knee pain, fatigue, or balance issues. So what's the difference? It's not how much they walk, it's how they walk. Today, I'm sharing 10 walking mistakes that may be quietly working against your health after 50. Some are easy to fix, some may surprise you. And the last one mistake is something millions of seniors do every day thinking it's helping them when it may actually be limiting their results. Stay with me until the end. Let's begin. Mistake number 10, wearing the wrong shoes. Let me ask you something. How old are the shoes you're walking in right now? Most people replace their walking shoes when they look worn out, but that's often too late. The cushioning inside a shoe breaks down long before the outside shows obvious signs of wear. Once that support starts disappearing, every step sends more impact through your feet, ankles, knees, hips, and lower back. The tricky part is that it happens gradually, a little soreness, a little stiffness, and many people assume it's simply aging. But poor support can also change how you move. You may shift your weight, tighten your muscles, or adjust your posture without realizing it. Over thousands of steps, those tiny changes can create real discomfort. I've heard from many seniors who were surprised how much better they felt after replacing old walking shoes. The fix: choose walking shoes with good cushioning and support, and replace them based on how often you walk, not how they look. Mistake number 9, skipping a warm-up. Be honest, do you step outside and immediately start walking at full speed? Most people do. The problem is that your muscles and joints may not be ready. After sitting for a while, your body needs a few minutes to wake up. That's why the first part of a walk often feels stiff. I hear from seniors who say they feel better after 10 minutes than they do during the first 2. A simple warm-up can help. Roll your shoulders, swing your arms, march in place, take a few easy steps. Just 2 or 3 minutes can make the rest of your walk feel smoother and more comfortable. Mistake number 8. Keeping your arms stiff. Watch people walking and you'll notice something interesting. Many keep their arms rigid by their sides. It seems harmless, but your arms play an important role in balance and movement. A natural arm swing helps your body stay coordinated and efficient. When your arms stay stiff, your hips and lower back often have to do extra work. Over time, that can contribute to tightness and discomfort. This becomes even more important as balance naturally changes with age. The fix? Relax your shoulders and let your arms swing naturally. Don't force it. Just let your body move the way it was designed to. Mistake number 7. Looking down the entire time. This habit is incredibly common. Many people spend most of their walk staring at the ground. It feels safer, but it can quietly affect your posture. Your head moves forward, your shoulders round, and your neck and upper back work harder than they should. That's one reason some people finish a walk feeling tense rather than refreshed. The fix is simple. Try looking 10 to 15 feet ahead. You'll still see where you're going while allowing your body to stay more upright and balanced. Mistake number 6. Taking steps that are too long. Many people believe longer steps create a better workout, but bigger isn't always better. When your foot lands too far in front of your body, your knee absorbs more force with every step. That extra stress adds up over time. What's fascinating is that researchers have found that small changes in walking mechanics can significantly reduce stress on the knee joint. In other words, how you walk matters just as much as how far you walk. Instead of trying to cover more ground with each step, focus on smooth, comfortable movement. Natural steps are usually healthier than exaggerated ones. Mistake number 5, walking dehydrated. Most people only think about hydration on hot days, but dehydration can affect every walk. Even mild dehydration may leave you feeling tired sooner, reduce endurance, and make your walk feel harder than it should. And here's the challenge after 50. Your sense of thirst often becomes less reliable. That means you can be dehydrated without realizing it. I hear this from viewers all the time. They think they're losing energy because of age when they're simply not drinking enough water. The fix is simple. Drink water before your walk and again afterward. It's one of the easiest improvements you can make. Mistake number 4, always walking on flat, hard surfaces. Sidewalks and roads are convenient, but if they're the only places you walk, your body may be missing out. Hard surfaces create the same impact pattern every day, and perfectly flat ground doesn't challenge your balance very much. Your stabilizing muscles gradually get less practice. Those muscles are important because they're the ones that help keep you steady and confident as you age. Whenever it's safe, mix things up. A park path, a walking trail, even a grassy area. Small changes can wake up muscles that rarely get used. Mistake number 3, overdoing it on good days. You wake up feeling fantastic, so you decide to walk farther or faster than usual. It feels great at the time. Then the next day arrives, and suddenly, your body has a different opinion. One of the biggest mistakes after 50 is confusing a good day with a signal to push as hard as possible. Health isn't built in one big effort. It's built through consistency. The people who benefit most from walking aren't always the fastest. They're the ones who keep showing up week after week. Try finishing your walk with a little energy left. Consistency beats intensity almost every time. Mistake number 2, ignoring pain. This one matters. There's a difference between effort and pain. Effort is part of exercise. Pain is your body's way of getting your attention. Yet many people ignore it. They push through and hope it goes away. Sometimes it does. But sometimes a small issue becomes a bigger problem. If the same pain keeps showing up, don't ignore it. Slow down. Adjust something. Look at your shoes, pace, or walking surface. And if it continues, get it checked early. Small problems are usually easier to deal with than large ones. Mistake number 1, doing the same walk every day. Here it is, the mistake that surprises the most people. Taking the exact same walk at the exact same pace at the exact same time. Every single day. Now, consistency is wonderful. If you're walking regularly, you're already doing something great for your health. But here's what many people don't realize. Your body is designed to adapt. That's actually the reason exercise works. The challenge is that once your body fully adapts to the same routine, progress starts slowing down. Your heart becomes efficient. Your muscles know exactly what's coming. Your balance system faces fewer challenges. You're still moving, but you're no longer improving the way you once were. This surprised me when I first learned it. Many people think repeating the same routine automatically means continuing to get the same benefits. But the body thrives on small challenges, not extreme ones, just enough variety to stay engaged. Try changing one thing every few days. Take a different route. Walk at a slightly faster pace for 2 minutes. Go after dinner instead of in the morning. Break one long walk into 2 shorter ones. Walk with a friend. Choose a different surface. The same walk keeps you active, but small changes help keep your body adapting. And that's where continued progress happens. If you recognized yourself in a few of these mistakes, you're not alone. Most people make several of them without even realizing it. The good news is that every one of these habits can be improved, starting with your very next walk. Sometimes the biggest improvements come from fixing the small thing. walking remains one of the greatest gifts you can give your body after 50. The goal isn't to walk, the goal is to walk perfectly. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which mistakes surprised you the most? And how long do you usually walk each day? 10 minutes, 20, 30, 45, or more than an hour? Share your answer in the comments below. I read every one of them, and I always enjoy reading your experiences. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who enjoys walking. It might help them avoid a mistake they've never noticed. And subscribe for more health and wellness informative videos. And before you go, be sure to watch our next video. What happens to your body when you quit sugar for 30 days, especially over 50? Many people are amazed by the changes that begin in just the first week. So watch that video also. I'll see you there.